I just decided to go out of the house because I was feeling so bored. I'm actually going for horse riding. I'm going to Gombak. It's my first time to go there. Yeah, let's see how it is. I'm just going for a joyride at Gombak. So I'll show you guys as I'm going there. I'm going to be using the train. It's 8 stops from my place, Ampangka, to Gombak. So I'll show you guys the journey, and I'll show you guys the place, and I'll show you guys the horses if it doesn't rain.
Like I mentioned, I'll be walking, so it was very hot. It was really, really hot. And it was a busy day. It's always busy in KL. But then I managed to walk. It took me about 10 minutes to get to the train station. Yeah, it wasn't that bad. It wasn't that bad because I'm used to walking. Yeah, so it wasn't really bad for me. I think for somebody else, they'd prefer to book a Grab to the train station. But then I walked from my place to the train station. So that's me at the train station. Yeah. So let's see what's next.
I'm back again. I'm at the train station and it's about to arrive. You're going to see it right away. Here it comes. Let's meet in Gombak.
Next station, Dato Kramat.
Right now, I'm just waiting for a Grab. Yeah, it's like 5 minutes away. So from the train station, you have to book Grab to the horse riding place. So I'm just waiting for Grab. I think it's going to take about 5 minutes, and then I'll see how long it takes to get there. So I've arrived. I think this is the place. I'm just going to scan and hear how much it is. I already know how much it is, but then I just want to confirm and see what is available here. Alright, what's the name of the horse? Okay, and then the white one?
Storm.
Storm. Oh, male. Oh, this one female or male?
Storm.
Okay, then the name of this one? Oh, alright. Okay guys, this place also has a rabbit farm. And inside it has rabbits and it also has goats, but unfortunately we can't go inside because they say they've closed. Yeah, just in case you want to come here, there's a rabbit farm.
This is different. I got it.
You got it?
O-D-I-U.
And on the other side? Where? It's up. Okay, yeah. I can't. Okay. And then where to hold?
Outside.
I have come to the end of my video, and this is my way back home, still using the train. It was a really nice experience, and it wasn't expensive because joyride was 10 ringgit and it's 2 rounds, but then the guy gave me 3 rounds. Yeah, so it wasn't expensive. It's really, really affordable, and if you're using the train, it's more affordable. See you in my next video. Bye.